Welcome to our YouTube channel Maps of India. Today, we journey to the breathtaking state of Uttarakhand, the land of the gods, where the Himalayas meet ancient temples, serene lakes, and endless natural beauty. Uttarakhand, also known as the Devbhoomi or land of the gods, is a northern Indian state renowned for its spiritual significance, scenic Himalayan landscapes, and pilgrimage sites. The name reflects the state's deep-rooted religious heritage, with sacred rivers like the Ganga and Yamuna originating here, and holy sites such as Kedarnath, Badrinath, Haridwar, and Rishikesh. Uttarakhand shares its international border with China, Tibet Autonomous Region, to the north and Nepal to the east. Within India, it is bordered by the states of Himachal Pradesh to the northwest, and Uttar Pradesh to the south. The state is divided into two main regions, Garhwal and Kumaon, each with distinct cultural and geographical identities. Uttarakhand was formed on 9th November 2000 as the 27th state of India, after being carved out of the northwestern districts of Uttar Pradesh. The demand for a separate state arose due to the region's unique cultural identity, hilly terrain, and administrative challenges that were not adequately addressed under Uttar Pradesh governance. Originally named Uttaranchal, the state was officially renamed Uttarakhand in 2007, restoring its historical and traditional identity. The formation was the result of prolonged movements and public efforts, particularly by people from the Garhwal and Kumaon regions. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, which is also the largest city in the state. Dehradun spans an area of approximately 300 square kilometers. The total area of Uttarakhand is about 53,483 square kilometers, making it the 19th largest state in India by area. As of the projected estimates for 2025, Uttarakhand has a population of around 1.25 crores, ranking it 21st among Indian states in terms of population, and Uttarakhand has a total of 13 districts. 1. Almora. 2. Bageshwar. 3. Pauri. 4. Champawat. 5. Dehradun. 6. Haridwar. 7. Nainital. 8. Gopeshwar. 9. Pithorgarh. 10. Rudraprayag. 11. Tehri Garhwal. 12. Rudrapur. 13. Uttarkashi. Uttarakhand has a rich and sacred history that dates back to the Vedic period. The region is often referred to as Devbhoomi, or land of the gods, due to its association with numerous Hindu deities and sages. It is home to important pilgrimage sites like Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri, collectively known as the Char Dham. The region finds mention in ancient texts such as the Mahabharata and Puranas, and it was part of the Kuru and Panchala kingdoms. Archaeological evidence suggests early settlements and flourishing civilizations in the valleys of the Ganga and Yamuna. During the medieval period, the region was divided into the Garhwal and Kumaon kingdom. The Katyuri dynasty, circa 7th-11th century, ruled over a large part of the Kumaon region, while the Pamvar dynasty controlled Garhwal. Over time, these kingdoms saw internal rivalries and external invasions, including those by the Mughals and Rohillas. Though the difficult mountainous terrain limited prolonged outside control, the British East India Company gained influence in the early 19th century after defeating the Gurkhas in the Anglo-Nepalese War, 1814 to 1816, leading to the Treaty of Sugauli, which placed parts of Uttarakhand under British rule. In the modern era, Uttarakhand remained part of the United Provinces, later Uttar Pradesh, under British and post-independence India. However, regional neglect, distinct cultural identity, and geographical challenges led to growing demands for statehood. A strong and sustained movement for a separate state, marked by mass protests and mobilization throughout the 1990s, eventually led to the formation of Uttaranchal on 9th November 2000, which was later renamed Uttarakhand in 2007. Since then, it has evolved into a state known for tourism, pilgrimage, education, and natural resources. Uttarakhand is often called the land of rivers because it is the source of many important rivers that not only sustain the region but also play a crucial role in the agriculture, culture, and spirituality of India. These rivers mainly originate from the Himalayan glaciers and flow through various states before merging into larger river systems. The waters from Uttarakhand's rivers are vital for irrigation, hydroelectric power, and religious practices. The Ganga River, one of the most sacred rivers in India, originates from the Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand, near the Gaumukh. It flows through the state before entering the plains of Uttar Pradesh. The river eventually meets the Bay of Bengal after traversing a length of about 2,525 kilometers, passing through several states including Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. The Yamuna River begins from the Yamunotri Glacier in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. From its source, it flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, covering a distance of approximately 1,376 kilometers before merging with the Ganga at the Triveni Sangam in Allahabad, now Prayagraj. The Bhagirathi River starts from the Satopanth Glacier in Uttarakhand and flows through the Garhwal region. It merges with the Alaknanda River at Devprayag to form the Ganga. The Bhagirathi stretches around 205 kilometers within Uttarakhand and holds significant religious importance as one of the main head streams of the Ganga. The Alaknanda River originates from the Satopanth Glacier near Badrinath in Uttarakhand. It flows through the Chamoli and Rudraprayag districts before joining the Bhagirathi River at Devprayag. The Alaknanda has a length of about 190 kilometers and is one of the primary tributaries of the Ganga. The Sharda River starts in the Nepal Himalayas and enters Uttarakhand flowing along the western boundary with Nepal. It passes through the Pithoragarh district before joining the Ghaghra River. The river's length is about 312 kilometers, and it plays an important role in the region's irrigation and water resources. These rivers of Uttarakhand not only contribute immensely to the water resources of northern India but are also central to the state's identity as a sacred and fertile land. Uttarakhand's culture is a vibrant blend of ancient traditions, religious devotion, and the simple, harmonious lifestyle of its hill communities, often called the Land of Gods. The state is deeply rooted in Hindu spirituality, with numerous temples, pilgrimage sites, and festivals that attract devotees from all over India. Folk music, dance, and storytelling play a central role in everyday life, reflecting the local history and values of the Gadwali and Kumaoni people. Traditional crafts such as wool weaving, pottery, and wood carving are common, often linked to the daily lives and rituals of the people. Festivals like Kumbh Mela, Basant Panchami, and local fairs celebrate the changing seasons, agricultural cycles, and religious beliefs, fostering community spirit and continuity of age-old customs. Overall, Uttarakhand's culture is a unique tapestry woven from its natural beauty, spiritual heritage, and tribal customs. Uttarakhand is a linguistically diverse state where several languages and dialects are spoken, reflecting its rich cultural heritage. The most widely spoken language is Hindi, which serves as the official language and is used for administration and education. Alongside Hindi, Gadwali and Kumaoni are the predominant regional languages spoken in the Gadwal and Kumaon regions respectively. These languages belong to the Central Pahadi group and have deep roots in the local traditions, folklore, and everyday communication of the people. English is also commonly used, especially in education and business, serving as a linked language between diverse linguistic groups. The blend of languages in Uttarakhand highlights the state's cultural richness and the coexistence of traditional and modern influences. Uttarakhand's cuisine reflects its mountainous terrain, simple lifestyle, and the rich agricultural produce of the region. Here are some of the top dishes that showcase the state's culinary heritage. Aloo ke gutke is a spicy and flavorful dish made from boiled potatoes tossed with mustard seeds, red chili, and local spices. It is a popular side dish often enjoyed with traditional breads or rice. Kafuli is a nutritious curry, prepared using green leafy vegetables like spinach and fenugreek, cooked slowly to bring out earthy flavors. It is cherished for its health benefits and rich taste. Bhang ki chutney is a unique and tangy chutney made from roasted hemp seeds mixed with garlic, tomatoes, and spices. It adds a special flavor to meals and is a regional delicacy. Arsa is a traditional sweet made by frying a dough of rice flour and jaggery. It is commonly prepared during festivals and special occasions. Manduya ki roti is a flatbread made from finger millet flour, known for its earthy flavor and nutritional value. It is typically served with ghee or lentil curries. Chansu is a thick and spicy black gram dal cooked with mustard seeds and local spices, giving it a smoky aroma. It is a staple protein-rich dish in Uttarakhand. Jholi is a mild and flavorful lentil-based curry, often paired with steamed rice, making it a comforting everyday meal. Ras is a light and aromatic lentil soup, enjoyed especially during colder months for its warmth and easy digestibility. Kandali ka saag features stinging nettle leaves cooked with spices, a traditional green vegetable dish prized for its health benefits. Bal mithai is a famous sweet from Uttarakhand, made from roasted khoya, milk solids, coated with tiny sugar balls, often enjoyed as a dessert or festive treat. Uttarakhand, known as the land of gods, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, spiritual sites, and adventure destinations. Here are the top 10 tourist attractions in the state. Mussoorie is a charming hill station known as the Queen of Hills, offering breathtaking views of the Himalayas, pleasant weather, and colonial-era architecture. Nainital is a beautiful lake town famous for its scenic Naini Lake, boating opportunities, and vibrant markets nestled amidst hills. Haridwar is a sacred city on the banks of the Ganga, renowned for its spiritual significance, ghats, and the evening Ganga Aarti ceremony. Rishikesh is the world-famous yoga capital, attracting spiritual seekers and adventure enthusiasts for river rafting, meditation, and ashram stays. Jim Corbett National Park is India's oldest national park, a heaven for wildlife lovers with chances to spot tigers, elephants, and diverse flora and fauna. Valley of Flowers National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning alpine meadows covered with vibrant wildflowers during summer. Kedarnath is one of the Char Dham pilgrimage sites, set against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks and famous for the ancient Kedarnath temple. Badrinath is another major pilgrimage destination, revered for the Badrinath temple and its location along the Alaknanda River. Oli is a popular ski destination and trekking base camp, offering panoramic views of the Himalayan peaks and well-maintained slopes. Almora is a cultural hub known for its traditional handicrafts, pleasant climate, and panoramic views of the Himalayas. These destinations collectively offer a blend of spirituality, adventure, nature, and culture that makes Uttarakhand a must-visit state in India. Thanks a lot for joining us on this journey through Uttarakhand. Subscribe to mapsofindia.com if you would like to know more about the amazing states of India. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family.